class first. Now today we will start chapter number 5, and class first are doing very good work in their copy, and I hope next onward you will also do the proper work and daily. So today this chapter is about this, that, these, those. So firstly we will recite the poem. This is my spoon and that is the moon. This is my bun and that is the sun. This is a bee and that is a tree. These are cars and those are stars. These are sprouts and those are clouds. These are my pants and those are elephants. So this also you will learn and send me your video clip. So where do we use this and that? Firstly I will tell you this. If the thing is near with me, okay, this pen is near with me, so I will tell this is a pen. What? This is a pen, not that is a pen. But if the pen is far with me, dur, far means dur. If the pen is far, then I will tell that is sketch pen, that is a pen, that is a pen. If it is here, this is a pen, but if it is there, that is a pen. Now where we use these, if I am having more than one thing and near with me, so I have 2 or 3 pen and pencils. So suppose these all are pens, and if these pens are near with me, pass me, okay, near means pass. So if these pens are near with me, so what I will tell, these are pens. We will not say this is a pen, we will say these are pens, because there is more than one pen. But if the pen are far away from me, so what I will told, those are pens. What? Those are pens, not that is pen. We will say those are pens. Now we will do some exercises so that your concept will be more clear. Write today's date and chapter number and name. Lesson 5. This, that, these, those. So write here, if the apple is near, so what we will write, this is a apple. But if the pen is, the single thing is far away, here the single thing is near, and if the single thing is far away, then we will write that is a pen. If the things are near but they are in more than one number, okay, so here the balloons are 3 in numbers, more than 1, and these are near, so what we will write, these are balloons, as for plural thing. Next, if the things are far away but they are more than in number, so we will write those are trees. So near single thing this, far single thing that, near plural things, more than one things these, far more than one things we will use those. Now the next exercise from page number 35 we will do in book. So look at the picture, okay, this is a desk and that is a fan. Desk is near with the boy, so that's why this it is written, and the fan is far away from the boy, so it is written that here. Now the next, now here you will compare with the boy. Desk is near with the boy and this is single thing, so this is my desk. Teacher is far away, so that, and single teacher is there, so that is my teacher. Notebook is near with the boy and single thing, so this is my notebook. Bag is near with the boy, this is my bag. Cupboard is far away from the boy, so that is my cupboard. What do in your book. Now the next exercise number 2, this you will do in your book. For this, what you will do, after doing this work here, you will write exercise 2. Okay, exercise 2, and write use these those. Then draw the picture from the book, this picture. And after that, from the, if it is not coming in your one page, then from the next page you will write the sentences. So I have told you these and those both are used for the things or person which are more than one, which are in more than one number, or which are plural, which is plural. So here we will see from the picture, are my books. Books are near the boy. So near, for near, these we will write, these. Pencils are the pencils. Pencils are near. So write, these are the pencils. Next, dash are the birds. Birds are far away from the boy. So write, those are the birds. Next, pictures. These are pictures. Pictures are also far away. Those are the pictures. Dash are the houses, and houses are far away. Again write, those are the houses. Now everyone, complete your work on time, and again I will appreciate you. Class first is doing a very good work. Thank you.